Okay, so for this activity, I want to be sitting down in a chair or somewhere where I'm sitting. Very important. Second, I'm going to put my hands on my ears, or I can be wearing a set of headphones. It's going to help to kind of create a little bit more compression where I want it. So hands are on the ears. Now, I'm going to create a little bit more pressure in the right ear. So I'm compressing this side. So both hands are on my head. I'm just a little bit heavier here, a little bit lighter here, keeping some pressure. From here, what I'm going to do, push my jaw forward, deviate it towards the right, take a long deep breath in, and then as I exhale, I'm going to hum. Once I get that down and I can hum unbroken, meaning my voice isn't skipping, I can start to add a few tonal changes. So it would be like, The idea is that we bias you into this left side. We hum to use the oscillation to open up, or the resonation, as well as the oscillation to open that area up. Start with just humming with what you can do. Make sure that it's very relaxed, airway stays open. And then once you can do that comfortably for maybe 6 to 8 breaths, you can start to add sort of the tonal changes, the up and the down.